Unleash your inner filmmaker and edit professional videos right from your Android device. The CapCut app makes it incredibly simple to create stunning content on the go. Let's dive in and get you set up. First, locate the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. It's the one with the colorful triangle icon. Tap on it to open the store. Once the Play Store is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on that search bar and type in CapCut, then tap the search icon on your keyboard. You should now see CapCut appear in the search results. Look for the app with the distinct blue and white icon. Tap on the CapCut app listing to view its details. On the CapCut apps page, you'll see a large green button that says Install. Go ahead and tap that button. The Play Store will now begin downloading and installing CapCut onto your device. This might take a minute or two depending on your internet connection. Just wait for the progress bar to complete. Once the installation is finished, you'll find the CapCut icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on the CapCut icon to open the application. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on Start Creating to begin your video editing journey. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed CapCut on your Android device. Now you're ready to import your media and start bringing your creative vision to life. Happy editing!